Upon further review, it is a 767-400 from Munich. Flagship, I think, is next, unless it goes south, which can happen. The Romans went south. Wall of Doom, and it turns out I was wrong again. Still not a flagship. I guess that's just wishful thinking. This is a 767-300 from Madrid. The Spaniards. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Oh, it's got a cheek stamp. I have no idea what it is. Maybe I'll be able to see it in post. I think Delta, you could do better. Alright, a new flight for me. This is a 764 from Nice, France. Way up in the background is, floater. I've got a Eurowings Discover landing on the south, which is disappointing. Maybe I'll be able to get Eurowings tomorrow. Or the departure later this evening. Yeah, alright, 764. Took a little break. This is the American, it says it has American Cancer Society stickers, and you can see those on the nose or the cheeks. It's as special as a special livery gets for Delta. And I think I saw Munich on this guy, or girl. Never heard anybody tell me if these are boys or girls, or if they're non-binary. I don't know. Ships are girls. Airplanes? Don't know. And mostly because I'm already out here. 763 from Milan, Italy. Ooh, a little floaty.